Okay, I'm going to show you how to make a chart in Excel with all of the things that we need for our assignment on it. So I've written my data like this. Okay, first step is highlight your data and then go insert and go over to the chart section, and we want the scatter chart, the first one. Okay, and you'll see that it pops it up like this. Okay, now it's not quite finished. I've got to add on labels, fix up my title, add on a trend line. Okay, so if I need to change anything, I hit this plus button. Hit plus. We're going to add on axis titles first off. Okay, so now along the bottom will be my height, and I need to put in also what it's measured in, and then I need to put arm span and what it's measured in. Okay, look, it's looking better already. I need to fix up my title. Okay, I'm going to put height versus arm span. You would also probably put year 7 boys or year 7 girls or something like that. Okay, now trend line. I'm going to hit the plus button, and then I'm going to go and hit trend line. And you see that straight away puts a linear trend line on. That's good. We need the equation and the r squared value. So what you do is you go over to this little arrow over here, and then you click on more options, and you'll get some options down the side. Okay, just make sure that you're on, there's multiple pages, you need to be on the page that looks like this. Okay, right down the bottom it says display equation on chart. I'll tick that, there's the equation, and then tick the next box, it says display r squared value. Okay, and if they're over the top of data, I can pick them up and move them around. So that is how to create a chart in Excel with all of the features that we need for our assignment.